Deep jungle at sunrise. A small green parrot sits on a branch, happily chirping. Suddenly, the ground shakes. A huge lion appears, trapped in a hunter's net, roaring in pain. Other animals run away in fear. The small parrot stays, watching the lion with worried eyes. Parrot flies down and starts pecking the rope of the net again and again. Lion looks shocked. "You are so small." Rope breaks slowly. With one final peck, the net tears open. Lion stands free, bows his head. Lion says, "Size doesn't matter, courage does." Parrot flies away, smiling.